Tips and tricks for creating a fresh and glowy spring makeup look. This takes down any area that has too much shine. This formula provides a sheer buildable coverage with a natural radiant looking glow. The creamy formula which makes it easy to blend into the skin but also gives a full coverage finish. Use a little bit of powder to set under the eyes, the center of the forehead, and the center of the face. This liquid highlighter bronzer melts into the base, creating a natural glow flush. To create a really natural and fresh look, take it a little lower than you usually would and also a tiny bit across the bridge of the nose. Pack on this beautiful copper champagne tone, blending out the edges. Keep the line thin and fine to elongate the shape of the eyes. Use light and feathery strokes lifting the shape of the brow. Use lashes with an invisible band to add volume. Line my lips for a filler pout using a mid-tone cool mauve. The multi-use product was used to tie in the whole look. Lightweight mist provides hydration. Enjoy!